Hello, welcome to Painting and Illustration from the Pioneers of Creative Education. This Imageminds Creative and IQ Development Kit rightly gives the space for the children to express their qualities and at the same time improve their process of understanding. The uniqueness of this kit is that it houses various digital activities that introduce children to painting software application for effortless expression of thoughts without the fear of making mistakes. The fully loaded age-appropriate toolkit comes in a stylish multi-utility bag that houses drawing and painting materials, craft materials, model making materials, other supporting materials, multilingual video tutorials for barrier-free learning in SD card, iOS and Android platforms, a content-rich book with step-by-step instructions, and an engaging sketchbook. Using this toolkit, the children will be able to perform 19 engaging art and craft experiential activities that include creating paper toys, clay models, models with a variety of materials, linear drawings, and a lot more. Also, a set of 9 digital activities that include character designing, designing of creative posts for social media, digital pattern creation, and more. Help children harness the technology, thus preparing for the future digital world. The visual storytelling activities enable children to recognize 2D shapes and 3D forms by creating interesting artworks. Explore the concept of symmetry in visually representing objects. Perform group counting. Familiarize with capacity. Recognize events taking place in different months of a year. Create attractive patterns to make useful objects. Appreciate sounds and relate them to actions. Express feelings for their immediate family members. Create movable craft exhibits that take the basic skills of robotics to the next level. Imageminds Creative and IQ Development Kit is the best thing that you can help your child reach their full creative potential. So what are you waiting for? Grab the kit today.